This machine is a 4-in-1 packing machine, which is designed for packing 4 items in one bag. Packing napkin, twin chopstick, toothpick and spoon. This machine has many advantages: extreme efficiency, excellent production capacity, stable and durable, worry-free and labor-saving, intelligent control and easy for operation. This machine can also be customized according to your product size and also product variety which you wish to pack. We can also provide you OEM service. Besta Machine China. We are high-quality machinery and solution provider. We are here to help you if you have any questions. Welcome to add our WhatsApp or WeChat for instant reply. This number is our WhatsApp number. Welcome to email us. We kindly invite you to visit our company website. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thanks for your kind watching.